Hello there, it's Krishna Vajra here, and with this message I'm thrilled to invite you on the 15, 16 and 17 of September 2024 in beautiful, powerful Glastonbury in the UK. There I will transmit a very rare and special technique, the Blissful Nectar of Clear Joy. This is a profound technique that comes from inner Tantrayana Buddhism. Is a Tantric techniques, is a Tantric energetic techniques, and its aims is to stimulate and sustain a sense of joy and a sense of well-being inside the system of our body, emotion and mind. Why is it so special? It's so special because this is the Amrita technique. Many talks about Amrita and many thinks it's a symbolic things. But actually, what is this Amrita? This Amrita is this powerful half psychic substance and half physical substance that mixes with your saliva that oozes from the root of our palate. When we are able to activate this white essence, a profound state of pleasure spread through all and start to drip down through all our system, giving us a sense of profound well-being and profound joy and profound pleasure, of course. So this technique is very special because it really stimulates and help the rejuvenation of our physical body. So it's very well known to be used for healing any ailments that we have inside the body. Emotionally wise, this technique helps us to be grounded in a stable ground of joy. So it doesn't mean that we are happy all the time, but means that we are, no matter what we feel, we can always connect with a state of well-being within our emotional landscape. Then, because we can access to a resource of calmness, peace and joy within us all the time, is way more easier to access a state of meditation and to sit in meditation and contemplation. This technique, also opening the central channels of our Vajra Body, helps us to connect with our wisdom intuition. So please join us for this workshop on the 15th, 16th and 17th in Glastonbury. It's an amazing technique. It's extremely rare to find this around, and hopefully to see many of you with us. If you have any other questions, please reach out to Nick or also to me on my channels, and I wish you a great continuation of the summer.